Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. For today I would like to show you in this video a jumper that I've made, that I've knitted. It's warm, it's cozy, it's long, it keeps me warm. It kept me warm this winter as well. So as you can see, it's fantastic. I love the color combinations here, and as you can see, it's warm, it's made of wool, and it keeps me cozy. So I hope you like this jumper. Please write comments below this video, and we can have fun watching this video of my new jumper. These are my new socks. I hope you like them. I absolutely love this jumper. I hope you love it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I love you all, and see you soon in my next video. I hope you loved my jumper.